Good morning, student. We finish already all these theories in that complex number in this chapter. Okay, then today's lecture we will discuss the some problems related to that complex number. Okay, first problem: find the sum, difference, product, and quotient of 3 plus 4i and 2 minus 3i, right? 2 minus 3i. In this problem, solution of this problem, we give two complex number 3 plus 4i and 2 minus 3i, right? Here, first of all, of these two terms, here we find the sum, difference, product and quotient of that two terms. Okay, first one, sum, right? How to sum of two complex numbers? Already we studied this. We use this 3 plus 4i plus 2 minus 3i, right? Here सम करत असताना आपण जे रिअल पार्ट्स जो आहे कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबरचा रिअल पार्टची सम करणार आहोत आणि इमॅजिनरी पार्टची सम करणार आहोत. दॅट मीन्स 3 plus 2, this is in first bracket, this is the real parts, plus 4i minus 3i, this is the imaginary parts. That means 5, 3 plus 2 5 plus 4i minus 3i, only I. That means sum of that 3 plus 4i plus 2 minus 3i is equal to 5 plus I. This is the final. Okay, then after that sum झाली. Next one is the difference. That means 3 plus 4i minus 2 minus 3i, right? Some difference, that means subtraction करताना पण रिअल पार्टची सबट्रॅक्शन आणि इमॅजिनरी पार्टची सबट्रॅक्शन. that means 3 minus 2, this is a real part, minus 4i or I common, 4i minus 3 minus plus 3i, right? That means 3 minus 2 means 1. Sorry, here for 1 plus 7i. That means this is the difference, 3 plus 4i minus 2 minus 3i is equal to 1 plus 7i. This is the difference of that two. Then third one, product. That 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i is equal to, okay, product 3 to the 6 minus 9i plus 8i minus 12i square. right? That means 6 9i minus 9i plus 8i means minus I minus 12 minus 1. I square means minus 6 minus I plus 12. That means 18. 6 plus 12, 18 minus I. This is the product of that two terms. 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. Okay, this is the product of that two terms. Okay, that means in here इथे बघा आपण सम ह्या दोन टर्म ज्या दिलेल्या होत्या आपल्याला प्रॉब्लेममध्ये यांची सम आपण घेतली. रिअल पार्ट रिअल पार्टची सम आणि इमेजनरी पार्टची सम. इथे सम घेतले, इथे डिफरन्स घेतला आपण, इथे प्रोडक्ट घेतला आणि लास्ट वन इज द क्वेशंट. That last one is the quotient. That means two terms 3 plus 4i divided by 2 minus 3i, right? That means here we take the LCM. 3 plus 4i in first bracket into 2 minus 3i into here 2 plus 3i, 2 plus 3i, and then solve this. 6 9i 8i 12i square divided by this 4 plus 9 minus plus, then here 6 9i plus 8i 17i. That I square means minus 1 minus 12 divided by 13, right? That means minus 6 minus 12 minus 6 plus 17i divided by 13. That means 3 plus 4i divided by 2 minus 3i is equal to minus 6 divided by 13 plus 17 divided by 13i. This is the final. Okay, very simple. क्वेश्चनमध्ये इथे डिव्हाइड करताना फर्स्ट टर्मला सेकंड टर्मनी आपण जस्ट इथे हे घेतलेली अरेंजमेंट आणि ते सॉल्व करून फायनली आपल्याला हे आन्सर मिळालेलं आहे. काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नाही. दोन टर्म दिलेल्या होत्या, त्या दोन टर्मचं आपण ॲडिशन, सबट्रॅक्शन, प्रोडक्ट आणि डिव्हिजन हे चारही पार्ट आपण सॉल्व केले. ओके. सेकंड प्रॉब्लेम, find the complex root of the equation. Find the complex root of the equation 2x square minus 9x plus 12 is equal to 0, right? This is the quadratic equation. Solution of that problem, given equation 2x square minus 9x plus 12 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation, and here we find the root of that quadratic equation. For example, here this quadratic equation is in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And how to calculate the root of that quadratic equation? Using the formula minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? Here after comparing, here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 9, c is equal to 12, right? Minus b and minus 9, minus again plus, that means plus 9 plus or minus under root b square, that means minus 9 square 81 minus 4 as it is, a means 2, c means 12 divided by 2 into a, 2 2s, right? That means in here 9 plus or minus under root 81 minus 96, right, divided by 4. That means 9 plus or minus this under root minus 15, right, divided by 4. That means 9 plus or minus, that minus means I square, that means 15I square divided by 4. That means, okay, so the root of complex root, that complex roots of the equation 2x square minus 9x plus 12 is equal to 0 is equal to 9 divided by 4. Complex root of that quadratic equation is equal to here plus I under root 15 divided by 4 and 9 by 4 minus I under root 15 divided by 4. These are the complex root of that quadratic equation. Got it? Very simple. just जे गिव्हन इक्वेशन होतं ते क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन, आपण ते क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन याच्याशी कम्पेअर केलं, त्यावरून ए बी आणि सीच्या व्हॅल्यू मिळाल्या आपल्याला. देन क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनचं रूट फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी जस्ट हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करतो आपण. वी नो व्हेरी वेल दिस फॉर्म्युला मायनस बी प्लस ऑर मायनस अंडर रूट बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac डिवाइडेड बाय 2a. Then we substitute all this value and we find out the root of that complex root of that quadratic equation. Got it? Okay. Third number problem. If x plus iy is equal to 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus 4i, then determine the value of x and y. Okay. Solution of this equation. Here 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus 4i, right, this is given. Then 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus 4i into 1 plus 4i divided by, multiply and divide कर दो अपन, 1 plus 4i. After solving this, 1 plus 4i plus 2i plus 8i square divided by 1 minus, as it is, 16i square, right? That means 1 plus 6i minus 8, right? Because I square is equal to, since I square is equal to minus 1, divided by, again here that I square means minus 1 minus minus plus 1 plus 16. That means 1 minus 8 means, 1 minus 8 means here minus 7 plus 6i divided by 70, right? That means in here x plus iy is equal to minus 17 minus 7 by 17 plus 6 by 17 into I. After comparing this equation, real parts and imaginary part, then x is the real parts and x, here x is equal to minus 7 by 17, and after comparing this, y is equal to 6 divided by 17. Okay, and here we calculate or determine the value of x. X is equal to minus 7 by 17 and y is equal to 6 divided by 17. Okay, here given x is equal to this, and here we determine the value of x and y. Very simple. This, after solving this, we got the, after this we final got it this, minus 7 divided by 17 plus 6 divided by 17i. We compare these real parts and imaginary parts, and we got the x and y value. Okay, in today's lecture here we discuss the three problems. Okay, in first problem we add given terms, we given complex number terms, we adding these two terms, we subtract this, we product this, and we question of these two complex number terms. Then after second problem we calculate the complex root, and in third one we find out the unknown value of x and y. ओके, इथे आपण 3 प्रॉब्लेम डिस्कस केलेले आहे. या तिन्ही प्रॉब्लेममध्ये आपण वेगवेगळ्या टर्म कॅल्क्युलेट केलेल्या आहे. नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये अजून वेगवेगळे प्रॉब्लेम्स आपण बघणार आहोत. स्टॉप हिअर. थँक्यू.